In this tutorial, I'll show you the half double crochet, double crochet and triple crochet.
I'm going to be showing you the half double crochet. So how you do this is you yarn over, pull through for one chain, and then you add another, so 2 chains, add the height ready for your next row, because the half double crochet is taller than the single crochet, and I'll show you how you do this. So it's a bit different to the single crochet. So what you do now is you first of all yarn over and you go into your first stitch like before, like so. Then you yarn over, pull through, pull up a little bit. So you've got 3 hoops on your hook this time, and you yarn over and you pull through all 3. So that's your half double. And again you yarn over and you go into your next stitch. My stitches are being stubborn today. Okay, sorry about that. Yarn over, pull through, pull up a little bit, yarn over and pull through all 3 stitches. And again, yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3. So now there should be 3 half double crochets. See, that there is your turning chain. That's what the 2 chains were, because it adds the height ready for the next row. As you can see, that's your single crochet here, and then your double has a bit more height. Okay, so let's do this again. So again, you yarn over and go into your next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3. So that's all you need to do with the half double. It's a nice easy stitch, and just make sure you go under both strands, so the V. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3. So that's your half double crochet. So I'll carry on with this row and I'll meet you here to do the last one. And so I've got 2 more stitches to do, so I'll show you again. You yarn over and you go through the stitch, yarn over, pull through, so you've got 3 on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. And the last one, you yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, pull up a little bit to just ease up the tension a bit, and yarn over, pull through all 3. That's your row of half double crochet. Right, I'm going to show you how you do your double crochet now. So again, you chain 2, so yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, turn your work, and again you yarn over and you insert into your first stitch. Sorry, this yarn keeps getting in the way of the camera. There you go. Yep, yarn over, pull through, then you've got 3, but it's a bit different than the half double. This time you pull through only 2, then yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, so I'll show you again. So yarn over, go into your next stitch like so, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's your double crochet. See, it's a lot more taller. There you go. So now it's got like quite a tall post. See, compared to your half, that's down here, and then your single down here. Okay, so I'll show you again. Yarn over, go into your next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that's your other double crochet. And it's just simply repeat it all the way through the row. And I'll do it again, and then I'll finish the row and I'll meet you back here, but I'll show you just one more time. Yarn over, go through your next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, just like that. Okay, so I'll finish this row and I'll meet you with these last 2 on the end. Right, I'm gonna do the last 2 with you. So again, oh, there's one of my hairs. Okay, so again, you yarn over, insert your hook through the stitch, and yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And then, oh actually, I've got 2 to do there. There's a sneaky one. Yarn over, go through your stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go through 2, and yarn over, go through 2, and then we'll do this last one. That little sneaky one there. Yarn over, this might be a bit stubborn. Oh no, it wasn't too bad. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go through 2, and yarn over, go through 2. And that is your row of double crochet. And as you can see, it is taller than your half double here, and that's your single here, and your very small slip stitches along here. So now you've got nice little posts that you can work into if you're doing the front post or the back post, and I'll be showing you that after this row of triple crochet that I'll be showing you next. Okay, so with this triple crochet you chain 3, so it's quite a tall stitch. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So 3. Turn your work. Then you yarn over twice for the triple crochet. Right, so you go into your first stitch like so, yarn over, pull through, and you've got 4 loops on your hook. So again, you yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, like so. Okay, so again, yarn over twice and go into your next stitch, which is that one there. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So they're a really tall stitch, as you can see, compared to even the double crochet down there. Okay, so again, yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's your triple crochet. Okay, so we have 3 there, and that's just your turning chains there. Again, that's the 3 that we worked at the start. That just adds the height of the stitch, so that doesn't count as a stitch. It's these here. Okay, so I'll show you again. Yarn over twice, insert, oh, it's just getting in the way a little bit, like so, and into the stitch. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so I'll show you one more time and I'll go along here and I'll meet you back there. But one more time, 1, 2, onto the hook, into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, just like that. And that is your triple crochet. So I'll go along here and I'll meet you with the last 2 on the end of this row. So I'll do these last 2. So again, you yarn over twice, go into that stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And this last one, 1, 2, and insert into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And that is your triple crochet. A very tall stitch, and it has these lovely posts, just like that. And you should always count your stitches. So I should have 14 stitches along here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14. And it makes your work nice and even. Okay, so that's your triple, double, half, single, and your slip is all the way down here. Very small, short stitch there. Single, half here that has a bit of a post, double here, and triple here.